If you work in telecom, CATV, fiber installs, or field service, this is the toolkit built exactly for you. Hey, Garrett here, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a quick look at the SSK-550 hex can wrench and security key kit from Jonard Tools. This kit pairs Jonard's SSK-716 star key can wrench with the SK-71632 security key insert, giving you a compact all-in-one solution for accessing telecom and CATV enclosures without juggling multiple tools. Here are some key points you need to know. Dual 7/16" hex sockets. One standard, one dedicated to holding the security insert so you can swap tasks without switching tools. Reversible security key insert. Flip it for 5/16" or 5/32" hex security screws, perfect for everything from cross-connected cabinets to NIDs. Extra deep, thin-walled sockets. At 1.5 inches deep, they slide over long binding posts and reach into tight spaces with ease. Built for the field. Heat-treated alloy steel, external torque-friendly hex exteriors, and a durable ergonomic handle in Jonard's signature blue. If you're looking to streamline your gear and speed up field access without sacrificing durability, the SSK-550 is an absolute no-brainer. If you are in need of another kind of SSK solution, check out one of many security can wrench options. We will have the link in the description below. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.